So just trust me.
Trust? Or obey? Parang wala na ata kaming boses dito eh. Everything has to be your way. Just like what happened with Nixie.
Ano na namang issue niyo dun?
I'm protecting you guys. As your leader.
Hindi rin. Sinama mo kami sa away niyo ni Tiffany.
That's not leadership, Meg. That's your ego. Well, I'm sorry to say this, but Jenny, she never handled Yumi this way.
Don't compare me to Jenny! Bakit naman hindi? Ang klaro-klaro ng difference. Nung si Jenny yung leader ng Yumi, gusto niya kaming protektahan. Eh ikaw, gusto mong kontrolin. Daniel! Sige, tuloy mo! Para mas lalo mong mapatunayan na hindi nga ikaw si Jenny. Kasi si Jenny, kahit kailan, hindi kami sasaktan.